Hi, Chris here, Martin Atkinson Specialist Vans. Today I'm going to preview our latest Ford Transit Custom. This one is the 170 PS limited model automatic gearbox, and this is the crew van, so 2 rows of seats, and this one is a 6-seat version, so driver's seat, dual passenger seat, and then the 3-seat bench in the rear, full solid bulkhead, and it is finished in magnetic grey metallic, super colour. Just walk you around the vehicle, some of the MASV style we've carried out on this vehicle, all nice subtle changes, extras, etc. Okay, so I'll walk to the front of the vehicle, and one of the first nice touches, we've gloss blacked the Ford emblem. It's got the gloss black lower front splitter, front and rear park sensors, they're standard on this limited high specification model. Comes with the LED lights, daytime running lights, these super black canards, all gloss black to match the front splitter. "20-inch Velare gloss black alloy wheels. Got hand-cut premium tyres on there as well. Front and rear mud flaps, gloss black mirror caps, privacy tints to the side loading doors, it's got the gloss black lower side skirt, part of our MASV pack. Smoked rear light cluster, LED rear lights again, and then the skirt running right round the rear of the vehicle. Gloss black emblem, black badging, and a gloss black roof spoiler there. Now this one is what we call a barn door version, so 2 opening rear doors. As I say, I'll walk around the outside and then show you inside the vehicle. This one also has a fitted tow bar direct from Ford. Now this one is a 2025 plate, so a brand new delivery mileage vehicle. Pre-registered. Okay, so I'll run you through some of the specification, very high standard specification, as I say, on this limited model. Has keyless entry, so touch the door handle and the vehicle unlocks. Electric folding heated mirrors. Automatic headlights. This is the full digital dashboard with the 13-inch infotainment system. Push start, so keyless start. New column gear change. Fantastic leather multifunction steering wheel. That's all your cruise control, etc., all built into your steering wheel. Dual passenger seat. Lots of storage. Really, really great, this vehicle, for storage and usage. Now this infotainment system, all your heating controls, climate control, heated seats, heated windscreen, etc., heated mirrors, all built into there. Automatic handbrake. Twin side loading doors. There's your triple bench. Full solid bunker. This can be ply lined out. It does have a plastic white clean floor, all standard. There's a rear reverse camera as well. Show you from this passenger side. As I say, lots of storage. Top glove box, bottom glove box, USB Type-C. Now the infotainment system also has your wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so very easy to run your Google Maps or Siri Maps through your phone. Commercial vehicle plus VAT. There we go. Transit 170 PS automatic limited model. It's a crew cab version, magnetic grey metallic, registered 2525 plate, available for immediate delivery. Not one of these vehicles where you see on the internet to order. This one is physical with us, available straight away, and will be on our website and advertising portals very shortly. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.